Hello and welcome to Dia's Funplay. Let's see what is a maths park in today's video. A maths park is a kind of an interactive fun park that uses hands-on activities, 3D models, 2D models, etc. to teach maths in a fun and a creative way to make students capable and confident in mathematics. Recent studies show that around 80% of the students are fearful of this subject. Mathematics for a long time has been considered a subject that induces fear and anxiety in many individuals. The fear of maths is called arithmophobia or numerophobia. An anxiety or a disorder that involves fear of dealing with numbers or mathematics is called as mathematics anxiety. The main objective of a maths park is to introduce maths in a creative and an innovative way to help students who have difficulties in understanding maths. Now let's get into the maths park that I have made. You can literally make many different types of maths parks as maths is a very vast subject. In my model, I have shown different 2D shapes arranged in a shapes park. I have also added an angles park which illustrates the different types of angles, and using a giant wheel concept I have shown the parts of a circle. I have also built a monkey bar in the shape of a semicircle and a rope climb in the shape of a square. You can also see a slide in the shape of a trapezoid. As I said earlier, you can incorporate many more mathematical stuffs into a maths park model. Please let me know in the comment section if you need any clarification in this model. All the best to you. Thanks and see you in my next video.
Thanks for watching DS Funplay. See you in the next video. Subscribe for more videos. Why not subscribe right here, right now? Don't forget, press the bell icon. The choice is yours. DS Funplay.